Hey there guys, good morning. How are you doing this morning? I am doing really great this morning. I'm not really supposed to be filming a video, but I have a special opportunity today. We're gonna nip into a garage to witness a dyno being done. Yes, so I've always wanted to see it get done, and I've already thought of some cool ideas on how I can film it. We could do a couple of montages while it's getting done with the sound still playing. I think that would be pretty cool. So yeah, I'll see you then. So then guys, that's us here. We're just waiting on somebody coming. They should be coming. So yeah, not much else to say. We're going to get a bit of a tour, hopefully, of the space out there. Man, this is my environment. As this is about to go out, I have the yellow vest on. I chose yellow because it's a part of my colours, so we're about to go out. We're just waiting. That's the guy coming back.
Is that Eddie?
Where's the body shop?
Body shop's down there. You can move further here.
Alright.
We keep this side away from the car, so we don't get.
I really want to look down. Just a quick. So can you measure horsepower on that?
Eh?
Can you measure horsepower on that?
No.
Oh,
No, just brakes.
alright.
Just brake force. Double one for that one.
Yeah. So what is this bit for? Is this for working underneath the car?
That's just for inspections, so you can see underneath.
Alright. I love cars, that's why I wanted to come up and see what it's like.
That's not too sure. No problem.
There's the toolbox. Very interesting stuff. I feel that I need to be involved in the garages more again. So we're going down to the body shop now. I am so cold, by the way, but I'm doing this for you. Alloys? Spare alloys, anyone? This is so cool. So, I wasn't aware that in that garage there was going to be copyright music playing. So, yeah, I can't show this next part of the video. I'm really sorry. I was not expecting it. But here's the montage that I filmed because I muted the clip so I can play that and enjoy. So this is the paint room. Just
That's where they get painted.
nice. positive way to end the new year, guys. To end this year, I meant to say, guys, I'll see you in the next video on the new year.